welcome back to the channel. Actually heading out onto the mountain, although it looks like it may rain a little bit, but that's not stopping me. We're gonna go hit a trail and let's see what we can get up to today. Okay, so we only have 2 weeks before Easter Jeep Safari, and before I do a ton of work to MischiefMaker before then I'm gonna take him out. I'm gonna take him out as much as possible. I have to take the front end apart, I have to make sure everything's okay. There's a little bit of play with the spindle. I can feel it in the front end, so we're gonna take a look at that. We have a couple more lights to put on here, and oh yeah, a little change on the inside also might be happening. I'd really like to get some seat time in, not only in this one, but Nessie also. So let's get some wheeling, dealing done.
Now back into it. There you go, right? And whoa, look, passenger. Right there. Come back, driver. Right there. Coming. You gotta come. Coming. Oh, don't back out. You'll eat the whole side of your Jeep if you back out. Keep coming.
We have a wee bit of a casualty. The fender. We have been saying it's gonna happen with those. It's gonna happen. So we're gonna have to get our new fenders. Good ones that will hold the weight of a rock wall. Chelsea!
It's like it was paper.
It's a new Twisted Custom fender.
It's a Twisted Custom fender by Trail Hunter. It'll be on my eBay account, trailhunter.ebay.com.
I'm loving watching Chelsea drive her new rig. She's really starting to get a feel for it. Seat time, people. Try and turn your steering wheel. There we go. Okay, so come forward. You're gonna try and come up here and try and reverse back. Yeah, you're just trying to get your front end facing this way is what you're trying to do. There we go. So come this way, even if you come up a little. Come up, just a little more. Stop there, back up. That's what we're trying to do. Might take a good couple of times. That's fine. Okay, stop there. Turn your tires all the way around to the other side. Come forward. Here we go. Nice and easy because it's going to lift. You're fine. Nice and easy. Keep going. Turn your rear locker off for a second. Oh. Well, that's probably why you've been having difficulty. Come on. Now switch the rear back on. There we go. Woo! Keep it all driver and try come forward. All driver. Like as much as you can, right there. Keep it right there. As you come up, go passenger. Yep, right there. Right there. Beautiful work. Right there, keep it all passenger. Yeah. Passenger, passenger, keep it right there. Keep coming, keep coming. Stop there, you're gonna have to back up a little bit. Try and get your tire in that crack right there, and then head on up that way. Okay. And you are going to lift the tire, but don't freak out. Why are you moving there? Nice and easy. Keep coming, just nice and easy. Should pop up. Passenger. She looks right. Keep it passenger. You're good. You're fine. Keep going, don't stop. You're good, you're coming down. Awesome. Ah! Freaking awesome. It's badass. How did that feel for you?
Awesome.
Ah!
Yay, this is the hardest trail I've done in this build so far.
No, well this is Smurfette actually.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was the... I was like, this isn't the Fallen.
This is Smurfette before the Fallen.
Oh, Smurfette before
It's a
the
trail
Fallen.
before the trail. Getting some seat time in, girl.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm learning.
Woo! Well, we have decided to do the Fallen, but we've just so happened to fall on Smurfette before get into the Fallen. I don't know if we're gonna actually make it to the Fallen, but you know what? It's daylight savings, so maybe we will just keep on going. Finally, we get to wheel later than 5:30 on a night. It's so freaking exciting. But enough chit-chatting. Let's continue with the trails. The skies are turning really, really dark. I don't really care, but the sun is starting to go down. Maddie needs to drive that back to a residential home, and his lights go on and off, so he needs to get off here before it gets dark. We'll definitely come back out here again and finish the trail off. I want to see how Trail Hunter does. She has been absolutely freaking crushing it. Anywho, we're gonna head on out of here before, oh, yep, there we go. Raindrops are coming. Storms are brewing. You are going to want to check into Wednesday's episode because Walter and I have done something. I'm feeling good about it, but also question mark.